Have you ever wanted to customize your Shopify email confirmation? I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. I'll be figuring it out as this is behind the scenes, but let's see if we can get it done. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and log in to my Shopify. Let me see if my mic is close enough so you guys can hear me. All right. First thing I want to do is ChatGPT is going to be helping me out. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on the screen for you also. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to tell Shopify to send people to a certain page. So we need to go to settings, notifications, okay. Open email subscription confirmation. So let's see if I can find that. Uh, Email subscription confirmation. Like I said, this is behind the scenes, family, so let's see if we can work it out. Okay, I think this is it. Please confirm. Okay, that's the one that asks them to confirm. So I already customized that. So let's close that. Oh man, sorry about that. Like I said, behind the scenes. All right, so we're gonna go to settings, notifications, and then it says what? Open email subscription confirmation. Email subscription confirmation. Okay, I think this is it here. Order confirmation, draft, shipping confirmation, local delivery, gift cards, store credit, order exceptions, okay, payments, okay, point of sale, shipping updated, returns, accounts and outreach, okay, customer account invite, customer account welcome. Is that it? Let's see. Welcome to Gospel Swag. You've activated your customer account. Next time you shop with us, log in for faster checkout. I wonder if that's it. Customer account information. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, customer account information. I want email. Let's see, customer payment method. Okay, customer payment, contact customer email address change. Let's see. Email address says where your account has been changed. No, we don't want that. All right, let's see here. Customer marketing confirmation. New email subscribers. Okay, I think that's it. I think that's it. Please confirm. No, we got this already. Early, you're almost there. I want to know what page they go to once they confirmed. So let's see. Nude. Okay, what's this? Okay, that's blocked. Okay, let me get out the way here. Let me see if I can open it. Keep emails fresh. Say hello by SMS. Win back. Oh, okay, here we go. Okay, I think we found it. Welcome to the Gospel Swag community. You're in. Let's spread the gospel. Okay, I think that's it. Let's see here. Let me check this email here. Okay, welcome. Hey, we're so happy you're here. Enjoy this discount. Okay. 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 You're in. Let's spread the gospel. I think this might be it. Here, let's see. Okay, that's not working. Okay, so let's go back here. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the process. So I'm going to load up my store and see what page it takes me to. So let's go to gospelswagshop.com. I'm going to sign up with my email right here. I'm going to go Pastor Dre at pastordre.com. Okay. Thanks for subscribing. So now I'm going to go to my email. Pastor Dre, PastorDre.com. And let's see what it sent me. Okay, here we go. Boom. All right, please confirm. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to confirm subscription. Okay, so that's the page I want to edit right there. This is the page. Gospel Swag, thank you for subscribing to our email list. You can unsubscribe anytime. Okay, so this is the page I want to change. Okay, so let me ask ChatGPT. Let's see. Okay. Let me close that. Here is the. Oh, let me move out the way. Let me type it out. Here is the existing confirmation page that someone goes to once they subscribe to our email list. So I'm going to paste the URL there. I'm figuring it out as we record, family. So let's see what ChatGPT says. Okay, means you can edit. You can't edit like a normal page, online store page. You won't find an account. Okay, cool. But you still have two strong ways to improve what Landon sees. Option A, easiest, change the wording via Shopify languages. This updates the text Shopify outputs on that system page. Okay. Most control, inject your own confirmation success content with a small script. Okay, let's try that. So we're going to go online store, themes, edit code. Paste this near the bottom. Okay, so let's go to online store, themes, edit code. Online store, themes. Okay, I'm going to, wonder if I could close this for you so I get out the way here. Okay, yeah, let me get out the way. Okay, so edit theme or edit code, open layout theme edit code. Okay, let me go back. All right, so we go to edit code, not edit theme. Edit code, okay. Let's see what we get. All right, and then it says open layout theme liquid. Theme liquid, okay. Paste this near the bottom just before body. Okay. Paste this near the bottom just before body. So let's go to the bottom. Okay, I'm going to paste that there. I'm going to click save. All right. This keeps it professional and branded even though Shopify owns the root. Okay, my recommendation for you. Start with option A. If this doesn't give you enough control, option B for a fully custom experience. If you tell me what theme you're using, Don, I'll tailor script the exact HTML. Okay, so it looks like I pasted that on the bottom. Let's see, what if I refresh it? Think it'll work? Oh, it worked, family. I like that. Okay, so what I want to do is I'm going to tell ChatGPT, okay, it does say shop the latest. I'm going to say you're officially subscribed. Welcome, and here is a 10%. Let me see. I'm going to say welcome. Here's a 10% discount code. So let me slide this back over so you guys can see me now. All right, so I'm going to go to ChatGPT. I'm going to say, can you add this line in bold text that says, welcome to the Gospel Swag Movement. Here is a 10% discount code. And then the code is welcome 10. So let's see if we can add that. Okay. Liquid updated script. Okay, so it gave me the script. Next step, consider making welcome 10 time limited 24-72 hours. Mentioning the code again in your first welcome email. Okay, cool. All right, so let's go ahead and knock this out first. So liquid code, and we're gonna go take that script that we just put in there and update it. Here's the script there. I think that's it. Yeah, okay, let's take that out. Then we're gonna paste a new script that has the welcome code. So I'm gonna click save. Okay, and let's go ahead and hit refresh over here. So now we should get a you're officially subscribed and then a welcome 10 code. Welcome to the Gospel Swag Movement. Here's a 10% discount code. Welcome 10. I like it, family. I like it. If you have questions, just reply to our emails. We've got you. All right, so I want to make this text a little bit bigger. So what we're going to do is I'm going to ask ChatGPT, can you make the line that says, welcome to Gospel Swag Movement, here's a 10% discount code, welcome 10, about 25% bigger? And then the text on the bottom that says, if you have questions, just reply to our emails. We got you. Make that about 20% bigger. And then shop the latest. Can you put that in a button, like a gold button with black writing? All right, thank you. All right, so let's see if we get that going. So they're going to ChatGPT. So let's see if it gives me the new code that'll do that. It says, hold up a minute. Yep, we can do all three of those cleanly with simple inline styles. No apps, no theme breakage, just intentional upgrades. Okay, cool. So here's the new code, upgraded script, copy, paste. All right, so before you'd have to pay thousands of dollars for a developer to do this. So we're going to copy the code, and we're going to go to our theme liquid, and we're going to take out the existing code. Where's it at? I don't want to do more than I need to. Okay, where's the script? Okay, there's script. We're going from script to script. Okay, there it is right there. So we take that out, and then we paste the new code that should have the update. So we're going to click save. Now here's the page you're going to go to. Let's see if the changes have been made. I like it. I like it a lot. You're officially subscribed. Thanks for joining the Gospel Swag community. You'll be the first to hear about new drops, special releases, and faith-inspired encouragement built for purpose and creativity. Welcome to the Gospel Swag movement. Here's a 10% code. Okay, it kind of contradicts itself. It says Gospel Swag community and Gospel Swag movement. So I'm going to change this text. Thanks for joining the Gospel Swag movement. You'll be one of the first to hear. This gives you an opportunity to be the first to hear. Okay, let me reword that. All right, so I'm going to ask ChatGPT. Wow, this looks good. I got one more change for you. Can you change the sentence that says, thanks for joining the Gospel Swag community? Change that to, thanks for joining the Gospel Swag movement. Then right after that, let's put, this gives you the opportunity to be the first to hear about new drops, special releases, and faith-inspired encouragement built for purpose and creativity. And make it about 15% bigger. Okay. Creativity, period. Okay, yeah. I want to make sure it doesn't add and make it about 15% bigger to the sentence. So I think we should be okay. Let's go ahead and send that. I love this change. It sharpens the movement language and raises the energy without overdoing it. Okay, so let's see, where's that sentence at? Inspired, built for purpose and creativity. Yeah, okay, I think it did it right. Just want to make sure it didn't add and make the sentence 15% bigger in the text. All right, so we're going to click copy. And then I'm going to go from script to script. Okay. And we're going to paste a new script and hit save. All right, so now let's go ahead and refresh our page. You're officially subscribed. Thanks for joining the Gospel Swag movement. This gives you the opportunity to be the first to hear about new drops, special releases, and faith-inspired encouragement built for purpose and creativity. Welcome to the Gospel Swag movement. Here's a 10% discount code, welcome 10. Shop the latest. If you have questions, just reply to our emails. We've got you. So when they click this button, we want them to go ahead and be able to shop. I love it. Now, next thing we want to do, families, I want to go back. And I want to get rid of this this here, because we don't need that subscribe to our emails on the same page that they've confirmed to accept our emails, right? So I want to figure out how to do that. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, All right, ChatGPT, the page looks fire. The only change I think we need to make now is on that page, the confirmation page, there's the footer that says subscribe to our emails. How do I get rid of that subscribe to our email section on this page only? So we're going to ask ChatGPT. Okay, let's see what it tells us. You're right. That subscribe to our emails footer on the confirmation page is redundant now. Somebody already subscribed, so that section has to go. The right way, hide it only on account subscribe, because this is a Shopify system page. The move is to hide that footer section with targeted JavaScript or CSS that only runs on this URL. You've already added a script for this page, so we'll just extend it. Easy. Option 1 recommended. Hide it with JavaScript, most reliable. Go to your theme code, okay, layout, liquid. We're there already. Add this below your existing script. Okay, so we're going to copy that. What this does only runs on, okay, looks for newsletter sign-up sections across most themes, hides them without deleting anything, leaves all other pages untouched. If you want it even cleaner, CSS only option. If your theme has clear newsletter class like newsletter, you can also do this. This only works if your theme has a specific body class. Many do, some don't. That's why JavaScript is safer. Okay, let's try the JavaScript. So we're going to go over here. We're going to add it underneath. So let's put that script there. And we're going to click save. So now when I refresh this page, it should get rid of the subscribe to our emails. If it works, we'll just go with the JavaScript. It did it, family. Yeah, it worked. Okay, perfect. All right, so that's how you add a custom "you are subscribed" confirmation page to those who sign up on your email list from Shopify. If this video has given you any value, don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe. Okay, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. It's your boy, Pastor Dre, over here at Gospel Swag.